Welcome to the latest edition of Respiratory Research Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. Krystal Biotech has announced positive interim data from the highest dose cohort of KB407 in their Phase 1 CORAL-1 study for cystic fibrosis. The study confirmed successful delivery of wild-type CFTR protein to lung cells, showing promising results in patients with cystic fibrosis. This breakthrough paves the way for advancing KB407 into Phase 3 trials, offering potential as a mutation-agnostic treatment for cystic fibrosis. Next, Clarametyx Biosciences reported positive top-line data from their Phase 2, a study of CMTX-101 in cystic fibrosis patients. The study demonstrated a significant 77% reduction in neutrophil elastase levels and improvements in lung function, providing encouraging results in targeting inflammation in cystic fibrosis. Moving forward, Clarametyx will begin a Phase 2 study in bronchiectasis in 2026, furthering the potential of this treatment. Kinaset Therapeutics has successfully raised $103 million in an oversubscribed Series B financing round to advance frevecitinib, an inhaled JAK inhibitor for severe asthma. The funding will support Phase 2 trials for both eosinophilic and non-eosinophilic asthma, addressing a critical unmet need in asthma management with a novel therapeutic approach. AN2 Therapeutics has received FDA clearance for an investigational new drug application for epetraborole in abscessus lung disease. This approval will allow the company to proceed with a Phase 2 study of epetraborole, an oral treatment option for a lung infection resistant to traditional therapies, offering new hope for patients who have been reliant on IV treatments. Tessera Therapeutics has also received FDA clearance for TSRA-196, a gene-editing therapy for alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency, or AATD. This groundbreaking approach aims to permanently correct the genetic cause of AATD, which affects the lungs and liver, representing a significant advancement in gene medicine for genetic diseases with high unmet needs. Boehringer Ingelheim has initiated a Phase 2 trial for BY765423, an interleukin-11 inhibitor in idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. The trial aims to evaluate the efficacy of BY765423 in restoring lung function and targeting fibrosis in IPF patients. This could represent a major step forward in the treatment of this progressive, life-shortening disease. Rain Therapeutics has been awarded Orphan Drug Designation for LTI-03 in IPF by the European Medicines Agency. LTI-03 aims to target fibrosis and improve lung function in IPF patients, with orphan drug status accelerating its clinical development and regulatory interaction, providing hope for patients in need of new treatment options. In Ahmedabad, India, respiratory drug sales have surged by 11% due to pollution-induced respiratory ailments. Prolonged exposure to air pollution has led to increased demand for asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease therapies, highlighting the growing public health concern and the need for effective respiratory treatments. Stay ahead in respiratory research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert